Hello everyone, I'm Dionysius and we're here together with Mr. Orlando Wilson. Orlando, how are you?
Same shit, different day.
Okay, one question I have today with Mr. Wilson is, tell me one of the main issues that you face frequently when working internationally.
The biggest problem these days I'm bumping into on a regular basis is trying to get to somewhere yesterday very quickly, but we bump into issues with visas. Okay. Because a lot of places these days need e-visas. And the trouble is with e-visas, a lot of them take up to 72 hours to process. So that's no good if the client's like, can you be here now?
Okay.
Can't do it. No, I have to wait for a visa. And that is a major issue. I was refused a flight not so long ago. A client called me up, I needed to be at their location as of now. And I was coming out of Istanbul, excellent airport. Constantinople, sorry, it's all the Greeks. When I got to the airport, they said, okay, you can get to Dubai, but we can't allow you to go any further because you don't have a visa. I was like, well, I'm going to get a visa on arrival. Mm-hmm. You need a visa. I'm going to get a visa on arrival. You need a visa. And again, even though a lot of places, if you're dealing with VIP clients or well-connected clients, they can get you visas on arrival, the airlines will not allow you on the plane unless you've got an e-visa.
So how do you actually solve the problem, or what can you actually do?
You need an e-visa.
Okay.
And this is it. This is where I understand technology making things easier, but again, trying to get visas, again, you can't get to places quickly because you need the e-visa. Even though in some of the places I have clients, we can get stuff done VIP. And again, VIP services or express services, you turn up at the airport, they'll do your visa, they'll do everything there, they'll get you through quickly. But it's the airlines not allowing you on the plane unless you have the visa. Okay. And this is an issue. The other issue that I've experienced very recently is, again, all this job is planning, is somebody didn't check their visa. Okay. And when they turned up at the airport, even though they had the visa for 4 days, their passport was from a country where they're a little bit funky, and on the visa was the passport issue number, not the passport number, which I'd never heard of before. But the security at the airport will not let the person into the airport, let alone getting anywhere near the airline to get them on the plane. And if we had somebody phone up from some of our people saying, can you let them on the plane? The people in that country would be, well, who the hell are you to call us up? So this is the thing these days, technology-wise, yes, things have advanced, e-visas are easy, it saves going to embassies, but if you're trying to do things quick these days, visas are a pain in the ass, cause me major issues. Yeah, but again, we fix things.
Okay, yeah, we get things done. And you know, one man's problem, not being able to get a visa, is another man's opportunity. So,
it's another man's opportunity.
Yeah, so why not? Okay, any last advice to people?
No, this is where the thing is with traveling these days, make sure, even though things can be easier, if you're going to country, this is what a lot of people, especially coming out of Schengen, etc., and even Americans to some extent, you don't need visas, but you need to check on visa requirements. I think from next year, Brits going into Europe are going to need visas. Americans going into Europe are going to need visas. And even Europeans now, a lot of people don't realize, I know somebody got caught out, they had to fly to US, to fly to somewhere else. They're going to, I think, New Zealand. But even though they bounced through US, they had a problem, they missed a flight because they needed a visa to pass through the US.
Okay.
So you have to make sure these days when traveling that your paperwork is good. So check. But as I said, this whole visa stuff these days, and you have to be up to speed because things change. And for me, it's caused me major headaches.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
All right.
Okay, so that's all for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed and you found this video thought-provoking. Use the comment section below for relevant comments, and see you on another video. Bye.